Good morning, everybody. I'm doing this on the fly again. I'm headed to the dentist office. It's Wednesday, March the 2nd. Put me a video together real quick. I have 5 minutes to get there, and I got 7, maybe 8 minutes worth of driving. So probably gonna be late. No big deal. That's quite all right. So I'm going to get my teeth cleaned. I know y'all wanted to know that. I've committed the unpardonable dental hygiene sin. I have I just ate a handful of party nuts right before I'm getting ready to go to the thing, and I didn't have time to brush my teeth, so she's gonna hate me for that. That's exciting. Got 3 things I want to talk about. The first one is what I call the $1 billion computer and how it relates to what all we're doing and everything. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. God made you to be the most complex thing on the planet, the most complex thing in the whole universe. And I think we get enamored with technology, and basically what we do is we get all caught up with it, and we don't realize that that we are the most technical thing there is. And so when the computer bogs down, when we get frustrated with email, or we get frustrated with text messaging, or it jacks up our whole push of text and it feeds them to us backwards, and we can't figure out what the communication's supposed to be, or the phone doesn't work, or computer breaks down or something, we tend to forget that we are the complex computer here. That we have the ability to adapt and overcome. We have the ability to just roll with it and make it no big deal. So I think we have to make our technology our tools, not just our end process. So when next time you start to get frustrated, you're going to get, whether you're technology savvy or not, as you get more and more technology savvy, you're going to get better and better at it, because God made us so wonderful that we adapt. We get really good at it. Think about it. The first time you had to type a letter, you were really slow. Now, how fast can you type? Forget typing. Think about the first time you had to text, how slow you were. And now you can text almost as fast as you can think your thought process out or talk. So, you get better and better and better at technology. So at some point, you're going to supersede the technology, and you're going to be faster than the process of the machine you have. When that happens, you're going to get frustrated. Don't get frustrated. Utilize your time. Multitask. Do 3, 4, 5 things at once. And I know I'm talking from an ADD perspective, but just lay it all out there. I'll start a text message, or I'll pull up Facebook or email, and then I'll go do something else or whatever, and I'll just plug things in and get things going. I'll go put a load of clothes on while my computer's booting up, while the stock market's doing something. So I'm just saying, you're the $1 billion computer. Don't get all mystified and tore out your frame over this technology, this 21st century. It's cool stuff, but it's just gadgets, y'all. It's just gadgets. Okay, I'm going to move on to my next subject. ROI, return on investment. This is the coolest term. I learned it through Robert Kiyosaki and the Cash Flow Quadrants. Return on investment. You need to look and see how much return you've gotten on your investment. And if you're in the negative, you need to figure out how to get into the positive. I'm not saying you don't have a good investment. If you hadn't broke even, if you're not in the black in your business, if you're not in the black in the stock market, if you're not in the black at your job, if you're not in the black in your budget, doesn't mean you don't have a good thing. Doesn't mean you don't know how to get the return on your investment. So you need to figure that out and figure out how to get the return on your investment. And once you start getting the return on your investment, you need to learn how to measure that return. That leads me to my third subject. Basically, I was listening to Kate this morning, and I heard someone say about putting people in their business, one person each day, so like 30 people a month. And then I turn around and I hear Kurt Kapler Klappler, I'll say it right in a minute. Klapper, that's it, how you say it. I heard Kurt say, you know, if you're going to measure Google ad clicks, you need to make $1 per person that you have in your list control. So I'm thinking, what's going on here? And I kind of developed a philosophy of it's a ratio return. The ratio return is looking at how many people is in the system and then what kind of return you're getting on it. So ratio return leads to return on investment. And ratio return is how many people you have sponsored, how many customers you have, how many first-time customers, how many reoccurring customers, and then how many loyal customers. And I think Toby Ayers broke that down on a CD recently, the difference of those three types of customers. But ratio of return, your return on your ratio of people that you have associated with your program, your blog, your autoresponder, your Google ads, stock market, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You've got to figure out that ratio of return and then your return on the investment. So anyway, I am going really fast and I'm almost where I'm supposed to go. I'm almost to the dentist office. So probably wish I got all these party nuts out of my teeth before I go see the dental hygienist. But anyway, just want to give you all that. I'll post this to the Tribe Facebook group. And hope y'all have a wonderful day. It's beautiful outside. It's starting to warm up a little bit. And chase your dream, find your vision, and I'll see you on the other side. Hey, when I say I'll see you on the other side, I mean I'll see you on the other side of the cash flow quadrant, on the right side. So when you hear me say I see you on the other side, that's what I mean. So see you guys on the other side.